Hello everyone, I'm the Enforcer, and welcome to the Day 135 summary. 5 Russian tanks were destroyed today in the vicinity of southern Lysychansk. All 5 of them were destroyed by Ukrainian artillery, as you can see here in this video, a massive loss for the Russians, as those 5 tanks account for half of an entire BTG. The Ukrainian artillery is still coming in. As the artillery pours in, it's ensuring that none of the Russians that were a part of this assault will make it out. The tanks continue to burn, and as these tanks burn, the battle plans that the Russians laid out for this assault are now burning on a table. In the next clip of footage, we can see Ukrainian Panzerhaubitze 2000 crew operating from inside of the vehicle. Notice the cleanliness of the turret, as well as the speed at which the gun's able to fire. The Panzerhaubitze does fire a 155mm shell, which is the standard NATO caliber for most heavy artillery systems. Russians once again are destroying another S-300 surface-to-air missile system, this time trying to not win the Darwin Award. An ammo depot once again exploded in the Luhansk region due to Ukrainian M777 fire. This lets us know that that supply depot is pretty close to the front lines, and it's also just a few miles away from the massive explosion that was seen at Popasna nearly a week ago. The loss of these supplies will of course be hindering Russian efforts and advances in the area, and considering that the Russian forces have halted and are waiting to resupply, this is certainly going to make it much more difficult for them to be ready to go back into action. What we're looking at here is the aftermath of a French anti-tank mine exploding. Can't really give you a lot more information beyond that. It was pretty sparse information-wise as far as this video was concerned. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.